Today we're going to bring a keyless smart entrance lock. So this is perfect for your door. There's only two of these systems that you need to set up. It comes with a digital code, a passcode that you have to input in here. They give you a default to begin with. They give you very thorough instructions. So there's three ways of entry. One, you can put your passcode in here, program it to whatever it is that you want your code to be. And then two will be the actual fingerprint. And also we could have four actually to begin with, because we also have a key entrance here. They do give you a set of keys too. In case the battery runs out or some juice or something's wrong with it or it's malfunction, you can always enter it with the key too. Now, on top of that, they give you the phone entry. So you go actually use it to have people enter to the phone and lock the doors or so forth. So if you have a dog walker, you can program it. Or if you have a babysitter that needs to get in or out or certain things, you could do manually remote through your phone too. So that's another entrance, another setup of entrances that you can set up to your phone. So today we're going to set it up and see how it works. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, when you get the system and you set it up like I did right here, if you guys can see. Now, out of the box, the default, you're going to have to push the default password. It should be 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then hit pound. It turns green and unlocks the system. As you can see, it takes 4 batteries. All right, the passcode to unlock the stuff here. Very simple. You could lock it in here, unlock it manually. You guys can see that. You could do the fingerprint if you want, manual fingerprint, or you can do the key that goes underneath. The key will unlock it, right? Or you can use the card to lock in, right? So a couple ways you can do this. Fingerprint, program your fingerprint. Right now I'm not programmed yet to do the fingerprint. The instructions itself, very thorough, tells you how to unlock everything on the actual application that we're going to install right now. We're going to set it up. All right, we're going to start with capturing from your phone the application. We're going to go straight to the application. We're going to do the Google Store, always, of course, and then we're going to go ahead and install DD Lock, all right, DD Lock. One of them that I program in here, and we are going to program a card, all right. And to add a card, we're going to go ahead and add a card. We're going to call it test 1, all right, test 1 card, or just test 1. Go ahead and hit OK. Now connect with the lock. Please wait. So it's connecting with the lock. Put the card against the system, and that's it. We got the card set up already. It made a beeping sound, and we're gonna test it out. So let's go ahead and test it out. All right, so we got our 5 4 3 2 1. So we set up our fingerprint. We set up our key card. Let me lock it up. So right now it's locked. Put a key card in here. It's green. Key card goes green. So fingerprint, key card. For the key, hit the pound. You're gonna have to hit the pound.